Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're using Discord on your Android phone and wondering how to find the list of users you've ignored, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to view all ignored accounts on the Discord mobile app. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select the option labeled Content and Social. Scroll down once again until you find Ignored Accounts. Tap on Ignored Accounts, and now you will see the full list of all users you've ignored on Discord. You can choose to unignore someone from this list if needed, and that's how you can easily view the ignored accounts on the Discord app for Android. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.